When I'm driving, safety is my top priority. My tires are the only part of my vehicle that touch the road, so their performance is critical for keeping everyone on the road safe in all driving conditions. That's why I went with the new Dynapro HPX Touring all-season tire from Hankook for my SUV. They're engineered with advanced safety technologies to provide superior grip, traction, and handling, which really gives me peace of mind. I'm Kevin, and I'm out here to showcase Hankook's Dynapro HPX safety features. I wanted to highlight its grip capabilities, the construction and safety technologies that are included with the Dynapro HPX. Hop in with me so I can explain more. The Dynapro HPX has an improved all-season grip compared to its predecessor, the Dynapro HP2. During Hankook's internal testing, the snow braking performance was improved by 4% compared to the HP2, which means I have more confidence stopping during slick, icy, or snowy conditions. However, snow traction is just one piece of the puzzle, especially with the unpredictable weather I get where I live. The Dynapro HPX also delivers a 15% improvement in wet braking over the previous line. Wet roads can be among the most hazardous to drive on, as you likely already know if your tires have ever lost traction and hydroplaned. With Dynapro's new all-season tread compound and optimized tread design with an increased contact area that evenly distributes ground pressure to ensure even wear, you get shorter braking distances on wet surfaces. Handling on wet surfaces has also been enhanced with a 7% bump in performance compared to the HP2. The Dynapro HPX features 3D grip control sipes that provide the grip I need to keep the tires grippy on slick surfaces during tight turns and maneuvers. Of course, this tire's safety technology goes beyond just the tread. While engineered for exceptional grip, the Dynapro HPX is also designed to work seamlessly with vehicle safety systems. Traction control helps prevent wheel spin and skidding during acceleration by limiting power delivered to slipping wheels, and the Dynapro's HPX's enhanced traction enables traction control systems to work more effectively. Also, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, have become the standard safety feature by preventing wheel lockup during hard braking situations. The Dynapro HPX is tuned to work effectively with ABS, providing the grip needed for the ABS to apply the brakes quickly while maintaining steering control. From its enhanced all-season traction capabilities to its integration with active safety technologies, the Dynapro HPX represents Hankook's commitment to engineering tires focused on keeping drivers safe and secure despite weather conditions. With proven improvements in snow traction, wet braking, and wet handling compared to its predecessor, I know I can drive with confidence in all conditions when my vehicle is equipped with Hankook's Dynapro HPX Touring all-season tire.